Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this cordless mower from Parkside. It is brushless. Well, it is brushless. Well, we're gonna find out together as am I going to disassemble this unit and find out the motor inside, what parts it has, and if it is a brushless motor. If you didn't see my video about unboxing and reviewing this unit, you can check it in the end of this video, right in the corner. Well, let's move on. For starting the disassemble, we need to remove obviously this blade. We've got one screw, this is a safety screw. There's a blade. And we need to remove a lot of screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws at the moment. I'm not going to remove these 4 because it may be for the motor. Well, let's start. Okay, I think we need to remove these screws. Okay, we've got this changing high. Okay, there it is. And all the screws falling down. Now we've got here the system that is changing the height of the wheels. As am I putting and adjust, they go up and down. And there's the motor. Here we've got this board. Not much to see at the board. You can see we've got some silicone, protect everything. Board is protected with this, yes, it is plastic. We've got one only aluminum heatsink here. Okay, not much to see. There is a battery compartment. This is the safety switch for the handle lever. Now let's remove the motor. Okay, there it is. And I will remove these 4 screws. This is a plastic housing for the motor. Another plastic here. We'll get this ring is rotating. Can remove that. Can remove that. We can see as is rotating, we got these 3 is rotating together. Can remove that. And then we can remove, it has a powerful magnet. Try to remove that. I don't think it will work. Now I can remove this part with the magnets. It is a strong magnet. We can see around we've got the copper. No carbs inside this housing. That means it is a brushless motor. Now you know, guys. Well, let's reinstall everything again. There it is. And as am I rotating, they're rotating in these 3 gears together. Let's install that. And then the final housing is that. We need the 4 screws. Okay, that was all. Okay, let's install again the motor and everything and check if are working, of course. That goes here. And obviously we need to install the motor here. That's how he's holding the motor with these 4 screws at the plastic. Goes here, perfect. We need to install this here. Perfect. Now that it goes here. The lever for the adjustment height, it is in the right position. Okay, that was all. And the final installation, it is of course the blade. Okay. And now let's test it. Yep, it's working. Well guys, that was all about this cordless lawn mower. Now you know how it looks inside, and if it has a brushless motor. Yes, it has a brushless motor. That's why the cost it is about 80 euros. And in the end of this video you can check and the unboxing and review that I made for this unit. Thank you again for watching this disassemble. Now you are smarter. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, it takes only 1 second, press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.